Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic and right with you here is Engineer OC. Today I want to teach you how to factory restore itel P661W without PC. Probably if you want to restore your phone, maybe it might be as a result of forgetting password. You forget your password and you can't remember it. Now if you want to do this without PC, you switch off your phone. Switch off the phone off. Once it's off like this, you look at the side here, you see the power button. This is your volume down button, this is your volume up button, and here is your power button at the bottom. Now see the power button and the volume down button. You press the both of them simultaneously together at the same time, and then you hold it until the itel logo comes up. Keep holding it. Keep holding until it powers on. Even while it is displaying the logo, still hold it. Keep holding it until the itel logo disappears. Then you leave the power button. So like this, you keep holding it, leave it. After the logo disappears, leave it. Then you see the menu pop up. This is your Android recovery menu. Down, you see all the options. You scroll down to wipe data, stroke factory reset. Then you use the power button to select. Then you see factory data reset. Then use the power button to select. Then you can see it's formatting data. Now after your data is wiped, it will say data wipe complete. Now you reboot your phone and then you enjoy your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Phone Clinic for more videos. Thank you.